film a video for your entertainment for free while you sat on your fat ass knocking your golf? No. It's about time I stood up for myself. Who am I? I can go. That's right. I'm new. I think it's about time the tables turn around here. I'm gonna eat. And I'm gonna watch you for a bit. Huh? How about that? So, just put the shoes on the foot. Something to say, the boot spits on the other shoe now. Yeah!